So, babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday si Ate Milo Kalinga. So, sa December 29. So, Ate Milo, kilala mo naman siguro kung sino ako. Ah, ito yung taong matulungan mong mag-loan sa SSS at may extra pera. So, napadaan lang para bumati ng advance happy birthday. Unahin ko nang batiin ka. And belated Merry Christmas. And advance Happy New Year. Nawa more birthdays to come, good health, at saka sana mas nag enjoy ka pa sa iyong work as a registrar kung saang school ka na magtatrabaho. So, God bless you and your family, and may you have prosperous and happy 2024 in both work and personal life. So, yun lang.